My name is Nobulali. People know me as Sivu Mongo. I started this business in 2010. Our business name is Ziyahlanjwa, trading as laundry services and dry cleaning. We do laundry services, dry cleaning services. Under laundry services, we wash, dry, fold, and iron. And then the dry cleaning services, which we are no longer calling it a dry cleaning now, we are calling it a wet cleaning. We had to reduce the number of employees, also the number of working hours. But we see as the things are going back to normal, we will bring them back. But due to COVID-19, we are 16 in total at the moment. My clients are the youngsters who are living at the backyards of the tenants, the medium and high level of education people, those who are in Cape Town for temporal basis for working opportunities. Even now, the families, big families, are also my clients. So the people at the backyards, they do not have washing lines and the washing machines, so they have small rooms to rent. The first challenge I had was to start a business without a capital. It took a long time for me to see what I am doing. So I struggled a lot to make a profit because everything that was coming in was only for buying back the detergents and everything that I'm using in the business. And then running the business at your own premises was also a challenge. So I had to go out and market the business, and then it's not like when you are in a business area where everyone can see your business. CEDA came into our business to assist us. They gave us a lot of marketing material. So we were able to go out there and introduce our business, market ourselves to the people. So it was easier, very much easier when we got that marketing material. So now our business is well known. People recognize it due to that assistance from CEDA. CEDA also helped me with integrating my accounting system with my new point of sales. When I was using my accounting system, it was not easy for me to track each and every cent that is coming because I'm not the one who's in front handling or receiving the finances. So it was not easy for me, and then CEDA came in and then they assisted me. So now I have a good track record of my finances. CEDA also branded my car. Now even if we are going to De Beers Marine in Paden Island, one of our clients, they see when we are coming that there is a laundry company coming. So now with that buggy, people are recognizing us a lot. With the assistance I got from CEDA, it helped my business a lot. And then it's promising that we will be walking another journey with CEDA because each and every time they are playing a big role in our lives, in our business life. What is more important to me is the customer service, customer satisfaction. Anything can happen, but I make sure that my customers are happy, my customers are comfortable. I make sure that they get quality service, they get comfortability when they have some queries or comments or complaints. I make sure that I make them happy. So in whatever I do, I make sure that my customers come first. I want to add that CEDA, they must continue doing the good work because there are people like me who do not know where to start and where to go. They need people to support them. We need mentors. CEDA plays all that role to us.